There's a lot of different ways you can sidechain, but this is the one that I've used, which I find very convenient, and it's very easy to set up as well. And that is using the mixer. And with the mixer, all you have to do is you link the kick to whatever you're gonna lower whenever the kick hits. There's actually two ways of doing it. You can just left click, and then you will have to adjust this knob, and you want this knob to be 0. You don't want any volume coming through. But if you don't want to do that, you can right click and press sidechain to this track, and it will do it for you. And then you go to the bass or to the track you want to sidechain, and you press on a slot, and you find the Fruity Limiter, which is a stock plugin. This is what it looks like. I have my 808 here. Looks like this. Because now there's no sidechaining, so this is gonna sound pretty bad. We need to sidechain that for sure. Now when Fruity Limiter is open, you go to Comp, right click under where it says sidechain, and you select the track you want to sidechain, which is in my case the kick, because I renamed it to kick instead of insert 1, 2, 3, etc. So now all I have to do is lower the threshold and higher either the knee or the ratio. They do basically the same thing. I can explain it in another future video. That's the knee, and then if I lower the knee, yeah, you can see what that does. It's the same thing with the ratio. It all depends on what you need it for. Anyway, that's it.